to do past perfect tense, negative and interrogative sentences. We use negative sentences when we want to say that something did not happen before another action in the past. Structure: subject plus had plus not with verb's third form and object. Examples: I had not checked my phone before the meeting started. She had not uploaded the video when the internet stopped working. They had not booked the tickets before the prices increased. Interrogative sentences. We use interrogative sentences to ask questions about an action that had happened before another action in the past. Structure: had plus subject plus verb's third form with object and question mark. Examples: had you eaten anything before the class started? Had she already left when you called her? Had they watched the new series before everyone started talking about it? Quick comparison. Affirmative sentence: I had completed the assignment. Negative sentence: I had not completed the assignment. Interrogative sentence: had I completed the assignment? Practice question. Change this sentence into negative and interrogative forms. They had finished dinner before the guests arrived. This is it for today. Keep going and growing.